Good evening, guys. Black Huck here with the Carefree Camper Company, and it is a chilly evening here. I believe it's like 48 degrees and I'm freezing, but we're gonna bring you an awesome van tour, and this van is actually for sale and it's a 4x4. So what we got going on here, guys, we got a E-250 van. This thing has got the Quigley 4x4 conversion underneath it with a 3-inch lift, so we can definitely stick some big off-road tires on the thing for you, and you'll be able to take this thing anywhere. As well as you're going to notice on the outside here, it's got a fiberglass high top. So the inside standing is actually 6'2", unbelievable. But it's got wraparound windows, it's got windows in the fiberglass top, it's got rear AC and heat. This thing is ready for an off-road adventure. Come on, guys, let's check the inside. So this is the first thing that I love. So this is just a normal door, but this is actually, I don't know what its prior life was, shuttle bus, passenger vehicle, but there's actually steps on the passenger side of the van, so it's quick and easy to get up in here. So guys, we did a completely different layout on this van. I've never done this before, and I think it turned out great. It's completely utilitarian, usable in different aspects and features. So what we got going on here is, up here we got an aluminum bed platform with our 5-inch memory foam mattress. That way you can actually fit 2 people up here, sleep them nice and comfortable. There is a max air fan up there, so that way you can get some ventilation going. There's actually 2 side windows that open up. Back there, there's some rear AC and heat. That way you can keep nice and cool in the summer, hot in the winter time. So what can actually happen is this whole bed platform can come out. So if you're not wanting it in here, you can definitely take it out. As well as the ladder actually comes and goes right on top there. That's opening up down below. Starting on the driver's side here, we got our big kitchen cabinet. We got our awesome black stainless steel sinks. We love using these things. Black faucet. We got our easy to use 7-gallon water system going on under there. Quick and easy to use. Dump the gray out, get fresh water. This one, guys, we got our 55 quart 12-volt fridge coming out. Nice and easy to use. Stows away. Got to make sure it locks just so it doesn't come reeling out when you're driving. Now this is something super cool. Our awesome cabinet maker Mike, shout out Mike for doing amazing jobs on these things. This thing has got some cool features that I've never seen before that he came up with on his own. I'm pretty jealous. I wish I had this in my van when I built it. So what we got going on here is we got the top drawer, and then this actually slides back out of the way for some secret hidden storage in there. Look at that. Sorry guys, I am working on 0 hours of sleep and not a lot of food eating me either. I just had a cup of ramen, but look at that, we got some...
My cup of ramen.
Jenny's cup of ramen. Thank you, Jenny. I appreciate you. Shout out to Jenny, guys. Not a lot of you see her, but she is the magic behind the camera on these videos. She makes a lot happen here at Carefree Camper Company, and she is one of Van Life's biggest fans. But another thing, we picked out these really awesome, we were trying to go for like an outdoorsy hunting cabin type feel, so we got these awesome bronze stick twig handles. I don't know, they're just super cool, never seen them. Awesome choice. Butcher block countertops, and then we got this really nice backsplash that we did to kind of trim out the back there so nothing could fall back and get stuck. Real quick, guys, let's turn on some ambiance. Whoa, look at that. Don't have that in your van, do you? We can help you. We got the LED lights, guys, as well as you're gonna notice on the floor we got some L-track. That's from its previous life, but we kept it, so if you needed to tie something down, you can actually fit a full-size motorcycle, a dirt bike in here and tie that thing down. As well as we got the heavy-duty rubberized flooring. That way it's super easy to clean, doesn't make a mess, you know, it's not going to scratch, anything like that. Guys, we got this awesome U-shaped bench, so you're going to be able to get a lot of work done. You'll be able to have a lot of people over and party. As well as we got this awesome table. Matches the blonde butcher block countertops, and then this thing actually folds down in on itself, so you can actually have a second bed. So we're talking 2 beds in an E-250 van, guys. Wow, and it's a 4x4. Also, guys, I want to say something. Shout out to Nadine. She is our awesome seamstress here at Carefree Camper Company. We were having issues all through the summer trying to find good seamstresses. Honestly, since we've started, we've had to. But Nadine has over 30 years experience sewing. Look at these box cushions. With that, guys, if you're needing any sewing projects done on your van, cushions, curtains, anything custom, let us know. We can help you out. We can do any kind of custom fabric. Just send it to us. We'll get it sewn up for you. But wraparound windows, guys, tinted. That way not as much sun and UVs coming through. You can still see out. You can still see the beautiful scenery that you're in, or the train tracks, depending on where you're at. But shout out Carefree headquarters. Another thing that we got going on is we just wanted to add some nice lighting. But guys, let's check out the back. We got the shower out there, and we can check out kind of the back of the van and see how cool it really is. Come on, let's go take a look. Well, guys, you can actually come back and see how big the fiberglass high top is on this thing. You got some awesome amber lights up there so everybody can see you coming from a mile away, especially when you're in this badass of a van. So guys, this is just showcasing how amazing our seamstress is. If you need anything, let us know. We can handle it. Shower box, pull out shower. Oh, it's so long. Shower up, all that good stuff. As well as, guys, come on, if we're having a bench like this, we're gonna have all the storage in the world. Let me just move these amazing cushions first. Look at that. Storage upon storage. Crazy good. Pretty awesome build, guys. You're gonna have plenty of space for all your stuff on your weekend adventures, or even this thing is outfitted for full-time living. So guys, if you're interested in this van, please reach out down in the description below. This thing is only $35,000 and it only has 110,000 miles. Is this not what you're looking for though? We have done over almost 100 custom van conversions here at Carefree Camper Company, and we can help you get into your custom van that you're wanting. I don't know, I really like this one, guys, but make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, that really supports us, as well as hitting that subscribe button. You're going to be catching all these awesome tours that will be coming out, man. We're doing some really one-off vehicles and custom things. If you guys need our services, camper vans, RVs, overlanding rigs, mechanical services, paint, all that kind of good stuff, reach out down below. We'll try and help you out. And remember, guys, stay carefree and adventure daily.